Today we will practice our listening and speaking skills, as well as our vocabulary and expressions. Listen carefully. Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I am good.
Are you a new student?
Yes, I am.
What is your name?
My name is Kelly.
Nice to meet you, Kelly.
My pleasure.
Would you like us to sit together?
Sure. What is your name?
My name is Mike.
Are you a prefect?
Yes, I am a prefect.
Which class are you in?
I am in class 9.
What is it like being a student here?
It's different from home. You have to grow up and depend on yourself. You will be held responsible for your actions.
Wow, I am scared.
No need to be. The teachers are wonderful.
Are you a member of any club?
Of course. Actually, I am a member of the soccer team, and recently I joined the swimming team.
I am thinking of joining the choir.
Really? I'm thinking the same thing too.
This tastes delicious.
What's that?
It's pepperoni pizza.
I need to try it. What are you drinking?
This,
Yeah,
it's lemonade.
I'm drinking soda.
Mm-hmm.
Which class are you in?
I am in class 5.
Do you like it?
It is too early to say.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subjects are mathematics and science. There goes the bear. It was nice talking to you.
Wait, may I have your number? Let's look at some expressions and vocabulary that were used in the passage. Sure, sure. Yay, yay. Of course, of course. These words all mean the same thing. They mean yes, yes. Prefect, prefect. Senior pupil who is authorized to enforce discipline. Senior pupil who is authorized to enforce discipline. My pleasure, my pleasure. A polite way to say thanks. A polite way to say thanks. Grow up, grow up. Stop behaving like a baby. Stop behaving like a baby. It's too early to say. It's too early to say. It is not yet clear or certain. It is not yet clear or certain. Let's read again. But this time you will be Kelly. I will be Mike. How are you? Are you a new student? What is your name? Nice to meet you, Kelly. Would you like us to sit together? My name is Mike. Yes, I am a prefect. I am in class 9. It's different from home. You have to grow up and depend on yourself. You will be held responsible for your actions. No need to be. The teachers are wonderful. Of course. Actually, I am a member of the soccer team, and recently I joined the swimming team. Really? I'm thinking the same thing too. What's that? I need to try it. What are you drinking? Yeah. I'm drinking soda. Which class are you in? Do you like it? What's your favorite subject? Wait, may I have your number? It was nice practicing English with you. I really would appreciate it if you would subscribe so I can have more students in my classes. Please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.